formally begin with the event and welcome you all, I would request Mr. Mazhar Mirza, representative CCI, to please come up on stage and formally welcome you all. Ladies and gentlemen, put a huge round of applause for Mr. Mazhar Mirza.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and distinguished guests on the 4th edition of Inspiring Change Conference, ICC 2021. I am Mazhar Hussain Mirza. On behalf of Cotton Council International, CCI, which is the co-organizers of this event, welcome you all to this great event. Conferences bring together people from all different geographical areas who share a common discipline of field, and surely Inspiring Change Conference is the right step towards this direction. CCI, Cotton Council International, our mission is to make the US cotton a preferred fabric for the different textile sectors. CCI has a great number of years of experience in promoting the US cotton across the globe in the form of fiber and the products to the trade and consumers. And we work as a CCI with all the supply chain, starting from in the USA, growers, ginners, farmers, trade associations, shippers, merchants, and also with our customers like spinners, weavers, garment manufacturers, brands and retailers, associations, governments, and also with the USDA to facilitate the use of US cotton. And CCI's reach extends to the more than 50 countries through 20 offices across the world. Cotton is one of the global favorite fiber due to its excellent characteristics. According to the recent update by International Cotton Advisory Committee, higher production and vigorous trade are expected in 2021-2022 season around the globe. The industry saw some of the highest levels of trade ever in 2021. The estimated 10.29 million tons for the coming season shows that the industry sentiments remains positive, especially given the robust textile retail sales in many developing countries. So back to the conference. This year, Inspiring Change Conference 21 has added 2 new sections in the conference, named as What's New and the Cotton First competition, which has increased its scope and popularity among the textile stakeholders of the country. Such a forum of scientific meeting allows us to meet with like-minded people and industry peers. You can download the app on your mobile's TechStalk app and discover the details of the relevant product being showcased in the exciting competition, Cotton First and What's New. And also you can physically visit across this Emerald Hall all the products waiting to tell their creative and innovative stories. CCI is working with TechStalk International for the betterment of local textile industry of Pakistan at various forums. CCI is planning to strengthen its indulgence with TechStalk further in providing quality stuff to the industry at every possible level. So once again, I would like to thank you all for joining us here and welcome to the 4th edition of Inspiring Change Conference. I wish you a good day today. Thank you.